What's up, everyone? Back again. Probably going to be another short video. I don't want to be putting the entire thing on there because it'll probably be really long and really boring, but I'm in the Focus right now. I'm actually about to head out to Tail of the Dragon. I've never been. It's supposed to be one of the best roads in the US, or at least on the East Coast. I brought my GoPro and get to some in-car footage, probably stick it on the window. I'll probably go up and down the road a couple times depending on how long it takes. So I live in South Carolina. Tail of the Dragon is on the North Carolina, Tennessee, state lines. So for me, it's about a 3-hour drive. Not too bad. I don't have anything better to do today. So let's check it out. Almost there. driving back from the Dragon. That was great. Honestly, lives up to the hype. Didn't get any fully clean runs the whole way up the mountain. Probably be better to go on a weekday. There's seemingly a good bit of traffic on the weekend. But I did get 2 that I got to go most of the way through it without having to slow down too much. And it was good. It is worth it. If you're anywhere nearby and you're into driving hard through the mountains, I would recommend it. Yeah, do it.